Okay, wait a second. I gotta. Oh man, we got. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Got the battery hooked up, and we got the radio working. Oh, and the heater, defrost working, and we got the wipers working, electric. And now we're gonna try to turn it over.
Yeah, just crank it for like 3 seconds.
Okay, I did. No. Do it again.
Oh, it's not starting?
I did 3 seconds. I pushed it to start. Do I do anything else? Now it's out of gear, isn't it? It's in neutral, right? You know it's in neutral or not? Do you have any idea? I don't know if it's in neutral.
Yeah, so on these Hurst...
Oh, maybe I have to put my foot on the brake to start it, probably. Maybe.
Oh, the clutch?
The clutch or the brake or both or whatever.
I think right there.
Okay, let me put my foot on the brake and the clutch and then try it. Okay. Ah, it was on. Oh, no, nothing's happening. No, nothing.
You might have a... Oh, hold on, Mike.
Okay.
Stop for 1 second.
Sure.
Try again.
Whoa, yeah! Oh, wow, nice.
Okay, try again. The battery take...
Oh.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, stop. We have spark.
Ha, yeah! Hoo! Hoo, hoo, hoo! Yeah, baby.
Pretty much ready to go.
Nice.
We just need the
Get the
fuel
tank.
and
Yeah.
hook up our lot. It's nice. Everything's already complete on here, and
This is
not
so
torn
cool.
apart, so it's a lot simpler than the Merc was.
Yeah, baby.
Well, we learned a lot from the Merc.
Yeah, the Merc was.
We learned. It was our what do
test
you call it?
mule.
Yeah.
Our beta test platform.
Our beta Fairlane.
Oh my gosh.
Our impromptu.
This car is so friggin' cool. You know,